This is the Levoit LVAC-300 cordless vacuum, and I was struggling for a really long time to find the perfect vacuum for my second floor of my new house, and then this guy came up, and it's been an amazing fit for our house. Let me tell you all about it. So since I purchased a robotic cleaner for my lower level of my house, my wife and I were humming and hawing about whether we could fit one in our second floor of our house as well. And unfortunately, there's just no spot to keep something so large with a docking station that takes up so much space. So when Levoit offered to send over the LVAC-300, I could not have been happier, and I have really been pleased with the results from this compact cordless vacuum. And it all boils down to a few key features that make the LVAC-300 stand out from the competition. So first, in the box with the LVAC-300, you get absolutely everything you need to get up and running. There's nothing else you need to buy and no other accessories sold separately. It includes the vacuum body housing itself, which features a 3000 milliamp hour battery rated for about 60 minutes of use. And the vacuum body features a HEPA grade filter, which traps debris as it pulls it into the tank for cleaner air and less kickback during cleaning. It also includes 3 different vacuum attachments, so you can use this not just for floor cleaning, but for a bunch of other stuff as well. There's a nozzle attachment with brush that can be retracted when not in use, so you can clean up high. I have been using this to get some of the cobwebs out of the corners of our ceilings, which are just harder to reach, and of course impossible for something like a robotic cleaner to tackle. There's of course the main vacuum head, which is perfectly suited for not just hard floors and wood floors, but also low pile level carpets. So this has been great because our whole house is either wood or low pile rugs, and it has worked very well. And it also includes a mini motorized brush, which is perfect for cleaning bedding or say your couch. This has been great for cleaning our couch. Our dog loves to go up and rub into it after she's been outside, and this is just helping keep it a little bit more clean. And there's also a wall mounting bracket set if you would like to do so. But one of the biggest advantages and best features, at least for me, of the LVAC-300 that I've really loved is the fact that it is self-standing. Again, we were looking for something really compact that didn't take up a lot of room. And because of the self-standing feature on the LVAC-300, this accomplishes exactly what we are looking for. When it's not in use, you simply put the LVAC-300 on the main vacuum attachment into the upright position, and it just freestands. You don't need to support it. It doesn't need to be placed against a wall. This is perfect. It means we can tuck it into our hallway closet, which is quite narrow. It's just a little small linen closet, but it tucks right in and is out of the way. We shut the door and we don't have to worry about seeing it. It doesn't have to take up any room on the floor if we don't need it to. And unlike some of the competitors, you don't have to worry about wall mounting it. Very cool. Another great feature of the LVAC-300 is how it operates and how it captures debris. The LVAC-300 has a fully adjustable power setting, so you can lower or increase the suction requirements depending on the surface you're cleaning. For us, obviously we don't need as much suction when we're cleaning our hardwood floors, but again, when we switch onto our rugs and our carpet sections in the house, then we up the speed and we can capture and trap all of the debris in there. Additionally, there's an Anti-Tangle brush, which does not get wrapped up with hair. When hair is spread throughout the house, traditional vacuums get caught or tangled and trapped in this, whereas the LVAC-300 just keeps on going. The structure of that vacuum head allows it to lift and separate the hair strands so they don't get trapped and tangled in the brush head and clog it up. Very cool. And when you're done cleaning with the LVAC-300, the debris basket, that HEPA filter basket, is super easy to remove and clean. It has a 1-button release, and all of the dirt and debris is shot right out. One side doesn't fall open. Very easy to sit this over a garbage can and trap everything inside. And if needed, everything inside of the debris canister, including the filter, is washable, so you can prolong the life or clean up after a particularly messy clean. Say, for example, maybe you're doing some renovations like we did before we moved in. And going back to that mini motorized brush head, that's another one of the really great features on the LVAC-300 that a lot of the competitors do not offer or make you pay extra for. Sorry if it sounds repetitive, but again, going back to our couch and our dog's love of laying and rubbing all over it when she's especially dirty, having the mini motorized head has allowed us to get in, clean off the pillows on the sofa, and even pull those cushions right off the sofa and clean inside and underneath those pockets, capturing all the little bits of hair and debris and junk that fall in between the cracks of the cushions. This has been super easy, but I've also really enjoyed using it in my car because, again, this is a cordless vacuum, so it's portable. You can use it anywhere that you need to, whether that's indoors or outdoors. Now, while the LVAC-300 is, for the price, pretty well built and pretty feature packed, there's a couple of things that you should know about if you're going to pick one up that maybe might deter you. One, although it does have those multi-adjustable power levels, it's not the quietest vacuum out there, especially not the quietest handheld vacuum. Our dog doesn't love the sound of it, and if you've got a dog that's also pretty noise sensitive or is typically wary of vacuums, that may deter you. Same if you have young children who don't love the sound. It can get a little bit noisy, especially on the maximum power or turbo setting. Granted, the suction is good and it picks up all the junk and debris and crap around your house, but that does come at a noise trade-off. And additionally, I didn't find the light on the front of the brush head to be extremely bright. So while it definitely works for the majority of settings and environments, especially if you're using this for indoors, you're not really gonna have an issue. Just turn a light on, you'll be able to see where you're going. If you're cleaning, say, behind or under a piece of furniture, you might have some difficulty seeing exactly what you're picking up with the brush head. And speaking of the brush heads, while functionally they're really good, they do a good job of trapping and capturing debris, and again, the anti-tangle feature of the brush is really nice, I don't find that the build quality is super high, although, as I'm about to get to, that is pretty reflective of the price point of the LVAC-300. I would just suggest if you're cleaning in your house or say your car or your garage or something, try to avoid hitting or bumping into anything super hard. You just want to take it easy. They are a little bit plasticky and in some cases a little bit cheap feeling. But those few things may not be a big deal for you because as of the time of this recording, the LVAC-300 is available for under $400 US. So that means that at this price point, you are getting a heck of a lot more capability than anything else from competitors, at least from what I've seen. And especially if you were to put this head to head against some of the more well-known brands like Dyson, for example, the price point blows them out of the water. And again, feature for feature, there's a lot more happening here in the LVAC-300 than in some comparable models. So all in all, I've really enjoyed using the LVAC-300. It's not without some compromises, but at least I know that because of that price point, it's quite cost effective. If I absolutely needed to go and buy another one in a year or two's time, it's not going to necessarily break the bank, and functionally, it does a phenomenal job. It picks up all the dirt and debris off my floors, captures all the dog hair, even some of my wife's longer hair without getting tangled or caught up, and the versatility of the different brush heads is super useful and absolutely clutch for cleaning not just the second floor of my home, but my car, parts of our basement, and those hard to reach nooks and crannies like the corners of our bedrooms. But as always, what do you guys think about the Levoit LVAC-300? Let's have a conversation about it down in the comments below. Do you want one? Do you have one? Do you like the idea? Or do you maybe have your eyes on something more expensive? Looking forward to hearing your thoughts as always. And thank you to the team at Levoit for sending this vacuum over for me to check out. If you want to take a look at it for yourself, I'll be sure to leave a link down at the top of the video description, and I'll pin a comment as well with the link so you can check it out and get the best price on the Levoit LVAC-300 that you can today. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.